Introduction to the product rule of exponents. This is like a fun topic and it's also super fast. So let's kind of start. We're going to start with the bottom example first because it's easier and most errors happen with the first problem. So we're going to start with the bottom one first. And the bottom one, I'm going to kind of break it down so that way you can kind of better understand what's going on here, is we've got x squared, okay? And x squared really means we've got x times x, right? I'm going to kind of put it in parentheses just so that way we can kind of separate it. And this one's x cubed, which means we've got x times x times x. And as you can see, they're all being multiplied. So if these three x's multiplied together gave us x cubed, then when we have all of these multiplied together, then all we're doing is adding up the x's. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got x to the 5th power. Okay, so basically the rule says that what we can do is, if we have like bases, which we do, both of these big things here are bases. So the x's are bases, so we can add them together. So we've got x squared plus 3 gives us 5. See? Super easy. Okay? So now this is where the tricky part comes in, because everybody sees, oh, I've got x to the 5th and I've got x to the 4th. And so what they're wanting to do is, okay, well, that's x to the 9th. Well, but you're kind of forgetting this one right here. He's in the middle and he doesn't have an exponent, but technically he does. He has that invisible one that we keep referring to. Okay, so really what we have is we've got x, 5 plus 1 plus 4, and of course we add all that together and it gets us x to the 10th. Okay, so in this topic, be very, very cautious of the x that doesn't have that visible exponent being shown. So as you're working these out on your paper, you might want to go ahead and write that invisible one so that way you don't forget it.